Welcome to the Among Us channel where I do trick shots in the laundry.
Imagine being excited about doing laundry.
Dude, it's so cool. Look. Nice. We are cyborgs. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop.
Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, bleep, bleep, bleep.
And the different thing is, since we are half cyborg, we have half of more better IQ. I didn't even say that properly. Main hall. Meet me in main hall if you're not sus. This is awkward. Well, ooh, what task is this? I get to pick up towels? Wait, why am I so excited about picking up towels? What do I do with these? Pick up, pick up. There's another towel in the shower room. I will pick that up. And what do I do with this? Oh, I get to throw it in the laundry hamper? Yo, this is so cool. I get to yeet them in. Hey, Draco.
Hi, I'm doing laundry too.
It's so cool, look. I can like make it hit the roof. I can do like trick shots. Welcome to the Among Us channel where I do trick shots in the laundry.
Imagine being excited about doing laundry.
Dude, it's so cool, look. Nice. Why are you in here?
Whatever.
Hey. You're not gonna answer the question?
What?
Yeah,
I answered the question. I'm doing laundry. I missed one in
Yeah.
the shower. I went to go pick it up.
Yeah, you pick up the towels. Okay, I have some task in cargo bay, but there's no way I'm making it down that. So the next task is electrical, the most boring task of them all. Who's down here? Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. Beep boop? Hello? I think I heard Rainbow. Rainbow.
Hello?
Okay, we gotta go fix that. Hey, where you talking? Hello?
Hello? Bunny, don't touch me. Oh, okay.
Rainbow, I heard someone scream in the vents.
Was it you?
No, it was very faint. I don't know if Lunar died.
What if it was someone in the vent?
Hello?
Lunar. Lunar makes
Hello?
noises in the vent.
Oh, I have a toilet task. I'm so excited. What the heck? Yeah, I never got this task before. I'm just really happy. Yeah, let's go plunge the toilet. Yeah.
Only Funny would be excited to play.
Hey, it's exciting, okay? It's just fun.
Exciting times.
Sabotage keeps turning everything off. What?
And by the way, if I have a low voice, it's not because I am sus. It is because I'm a robot. Okay.
Rainbow, did you not hear that?
I don't hear nothing. What are you hearing?
No, I seriously hear someone in the vents. Like someone's screaming.
You mean someone stalking us?
Hello? Dude, I don't know if I'm losing my crewmate marbles, but
I don't hear nothing, Funny.
I hear screaming. Huh.
Hello,
Weird.
hello. If you are there, come out.
Rainbow, that's not how you bring someone up. Whoa! Hi.
She's laughing.
Okay,
I'm out of here.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Up the ladder.
Okay, no. Rainbow, go hit the button. Rainbow, go hit the button.
button?
Rainbow, go hit
Where's
the
the
button.
button?
Rainbow,
I don't
Rainbow,
remember.
run. Rainbow, gonna die.
where the button is.
Run! She's laughing. She's laughing.
Oh, no. Up the ladder.
Report! I saw a report button. Gold's down there. I'm going back down. Lunar, get away. Oh, get away from me.
You're lucky. Oh.
So, you laugh a lot, huh?
Are you a laughing robot?
Rainbow, don't
Are
even
you
let
a
her talk.
jokester?
Don't let her talk. She can't even hold herself together. Get out.
You're a bad robot.
You're not even gonna talk, Lunar?
Yeah.
Another boring task. I just want the burger task. Give me the burger task, please. Please. Ooh, burger task.
Oh, I heard you don't get to assemble a burger.
No, I am. Wow.
Oh, I'm assembling a burger too.
The lettuce
What's your burger?
is so cool. Huh?
What's your burger?
My burger's gonna be a lettuce burger.
You know, my burger is a tomato lettuce burger.
Really? Wait, do you like tomato burgers?
No, I'm giving this
Why not?
to somebody I hate.
Well, I like bloody burgers.
Beep, 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 boop, boop.
Yo, Rainbow, what's up? I'm doing the shower task.
Beep, beep, beep.
Rainbow?
Okay, why do you always have to tell me when you're in the washroom? I don't really care.
But, wait, you don't want to know that I'm doing the shower task, though?
Not really.
Why not?
Ooh.
So Draco was prepping a burger
Why are you pre-laughing?
with someone,
What?
and now he's dead.
What? Luna, are you kidding me right now?
Someone.
Why are you laughing? Lunar, seriously?
It is, but I'm not gonna say it. I know who it is, but I'm not gonna say it.
Why? Why don't
Probably,
you
it's probably you.
Uh-huh.
That's the point of the game, though, Luna. You're supposed to tell, or else you look sus.
Yeah,
Lu-
I'm voting you
Lunar
out. You
thinks
don't
you're
tell me.
sus.
I'm voting Lunar out.
I'm voting
I'm
Lunar for being
skipping.
sus.
Lunar, tell us right now before you get voted
Lunar,
out.
tell us before you get voted.
You vote me out, you lose another voter. Just saying. If you vote me out, you dumb, you're bad.
The day is here. I finally get to make a burger. Oh,
Wow, exciting
wow.
time.
What type of burger?
Okay,
Yeah, what
so
flavor?
Describe.
it is a gorgeous lettuce burger with, wait, onions? And then more onions? Wait, that doesn't sound that good.
Where's
Wait, that's
the
it?
meat?
No meat? No meat?
No meat.
I'm not eating your burger. You.
No, please, Lunar. It's an onion and
Bad
lettuce
burger, bad burger.
Whatever. I am now happy because I got to do my task. What are you doing over there?
There's dishes.
You better stay away from me. I'm picking up guns.
Yeah, me too.
Oh.
And where do I place the guns? Right here? Just like, I can't even place them. Just like that? How complicated. Off to the engine room where I do boring stuff. Hello.
Hello. Why do
Hey.
you have a nightcap on your head?
It's not a knight's cap. It is a wizard cap. Because I am smart.
I say nightcap.
Hey, don't follow behind me. I have to go take a shower. Just kidding. I don't have a shower task this time. I got Lauren Wire task. Hello.
Hello, hello.
What do you... You have a task in here?
No. I'm looking at map. Why you ask so many questions?
Because I'm fixing stuff. Go.
Good night! What?
Gold, are you serious?
Drago, can you stop faking
Gold.
it? We literally
Okay,
saw
so
you.
I found Rainbow dead in the weapons room, like right where you stack up the rifle. And guess who I saw run out of right where you stack up the rifle?
Gold.
Guess. Just guess.
Gold. Was it
The
gold?
one and only super trigger knife finger gold.
I hate you! Just let me take my win.
No win for you. Get off the ship, Trick. You know what's not bad? Leaving a like and subscribing right now to not be your bad.
Hello.
Hey, I'm in between a
Can
segment.
I tell you a joke?
Yes, I love jokes.
What?
Beep boop beep boop.
Okay, what
no
did
burger
one
task.
robot say to the other robot?
Beep,
That is a
boop,
beautiful
beep,
knife on the
boop.
counter that I would like to use. What
Oh,
did the robot
no,
say?
that's not it. It's
What?
I love you. That's what the
Beep,
robot says to
boop.
another
I made a
robot.
burger.
Yeah, I'm
I
just
have
gonna go
completed
eject off
my
of the
task.
viewing
Somebody
deck.
like murder me because I always die after I make a burger. Come on.
Okay, beep
Don't be
boop beep
shy.
boop beep boop. What task is this?
Murder me.
No, Draco. I have a new task.
Murder me.
Is this? Oh, I just stopped. Oh,
Murder
cool. Draco, stop being annoying. I have this very, well, no, guys. I was taking my time. What?
Beep boop. Rainbow's dead in the kitchen.
It's always the kitchen.
It was probably Draco. I only
I
saw him in the kitchen.
Think it's Gold again because Gold really likes to kill people.
Lunar, just vote Draco.
Just is always there.
Lunar, vote Draco.
Are you?
No, it's
Are you-
Gold.
No, vote
It's
Draco.
not.
No, Gold was in
This
the
is gonna be a
kitchen.
like literally
No,
bingo.
it's
Draco,
Gold.
Gold can't get imposter 3 times in a row, but Draco definitely can. Come on, please. Was it Draco? It wasn't
Uh-oh.
Draco. Well, that was a waste of a crewmate, but he kind of deserved it. I know it's Lunar. I have a bad feeling. Well, we just threw the entire game. Good job, GG. Yep. Might as well fix the shower heads while I'm still on this ship. Hello. Whoa, why are you whistling? Why are you whistling?
Hey!
Why are you whistling?
I'm taking a shower. Some privacy, please.
Okay.
I see you peeping cyborg. Get out of here.
Is the tap? What the heck's wrong?
I said,
What? Gold, you dummy!
funny.
Okay, fine. Truce. Only smart plays. No more trolling. I'll stop trolling you, Draco. Still no... Will I ever get the burger task again? They'll never know. I'm
got
just
the
remorsing
burger
over the
task.
burger task.
I got it.
Okay, yeah, so cool, so cool.
Delicious.
Someone else takes out comms. I wonder who that's great. It's right down there. Bye, Gold. Bye, Gold. Where's my Oh my gosh, I'm being so dumb. Wait, there's a pistol task?
We should pair up.
No.
That
is
thing's
that?
too happy. It's probably the murderer.
I mean,
No, I'm not. I'm going to do what I do every game. I'm going to make a burger and then die.
Well, oh, that's true. Let's protect Draco.
what type of burger you making, Draco?
An even burger, tomato, patty, and lettuce.
That's good. Well, since we feel bad for you, we'll just watch you. Why didn't the taskbar go up? You done making your burger, boy?
Yes, I finished making my burger.
And Gold, the taskbar didn't go up when he made the burger.
That's a sus.
It's not sus.
We're gonna keep an eye on Draco. Noted.
All right. Well, as a security guard of this ship, I just saw someone walk from records.
Oh!
Okay.
So bad.
So bad.
You're bad.
You're bad.
You're bad.
Just
You're
don't.
bad.
You're
To
bad.
all
You're
humans.
bad.
Bad.
Let
You're
me
bad.
kill
You're
you
bad.
all.
You're
You're
What are
bad.
you two nosy
You're
Susie's
bad.
doing in here anyway?
You're bad. All right.
You're bad.
Don't let the cyborg rainbow talk. She's just bad. You're bad.
Why are you guys here anyways?
We're just like hanging out.
Blur.
Let's get the whole comment section lit up with "You're bad. You're bad. You're bad."
You're bad.
That was pretty bad.
You're bad.
You're bad. You're bad.
You're bad.
But who could be the most you're bad of them all? You? Me? No one ever goes to the kitchen because they know if they step in the kitchen, they instantly die automatically. Look at how many dangerous tools are in the kitchen. Look, guys. Knives,
Oh, yes.
Ovens.
Knife.
burgers.
Onions
still
are
no
pretty
task.
dangerers. They make you cry.
Glass cup. That's true. They do make you cry.
Onion,
Alright, I'm gonna go do mine in
tomato,
medical.
Onion.
See, wait, who locked the door? Can you open this door for me? I'm a baby. I don't want to open it.
Oh yeah, sure. You want to
Thank
wait
you.
here for centuries.
Yeah. Wait, do you have a lot of tasks in the showers? Hello.
Oh,
No,
Moon's
why?
dead. What a surprise.
I know that
Dude,
somebody likes to kill people when they're in the showers.
I'll keep an eye out.
Looking right at her. With
Seriously?
My one cyborg eye. Yep.
Rainbow, you're just salty. Here, follow me.
I get to be imposter
Yeah,
once,
yeah.
and then I get caught.
Oh, Draco's doing the boring task. Have fun. That task
hate
is so
this.
boring.
Oh, that task is so boring.
It is. Oh, wait, who closed all of these? Well, obviously the imp. Oh, there's a doctor room. Hey, look. Yo,
What? What?
look. This is what a crewmate's body is.
Oh, it's just one bone?
Yeah, that's so cute.
We're just one bone?
Just like you. Draco, you gonna go fix that?
No, I'm doing my boring lever task. You fix
Fine,
it.
whatever. Fine, I'll go fix it. It's so boring though. Yeah, wait, actually, Draco, I'm gonna go sit on cams. Wait, cams is disabled. What happened? I was on
Gold
cams.
is literally screaming and running
Well, I
away
found
from me.
Rainbow's dead body to the right, and Funny came from the right. So,
Luna was on the right too.
I was on cams, Draco.
like, literally, Funny came from the room where Rainbow's literally.
What did
dead.
you see
No, I
on
didn't.
cams?
She said
Well,
nothing because she's the
dang it.
murderer.
Well, why are you laughing?
She's already giving up her.
Come on, tell us
she's not
your
even
story.
trying. She's not even trying to hold it in.
So bad. You're bad.
So the thing is, the reason why I'm laughing is
Yeah.
because
You're bad.
I didn't see anything on cams because I have disabled communications.
You know, only imposters can disable communication.
Yes, and that's why I was laughing because I sabotaged myself.
You're bad.
Whatever. At least I got to do a funny joke to Rainbow. It was worth it. Draco, why are you so nosy? Why are you going to the right side of the room anyway? I was supposed to lock it off. I was gonna stab you.